Step into the Kia 2020 Stinger GT line. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 2-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine, 255 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission and Bluetooth. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.